Kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Green color, yellow color, red color, blue color, yellow ochre color, black color. So kids, now you draw alphabets and first you draw A and U is green color. A for apple. Now you draw B. B for ball. C for cat. T for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for guard. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and U is yellow color. Yellow color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S and U is red color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw 1 and U is blue color. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and last we draw 10. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.